Hello guys, today I'm gonna repair this electric stove that has an error with the E3 code in the display. So I'm gonna open this stove from behind. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws in the side. Okay, usually this stove have so many oil remains, so you need to clean it with oven cleaner or anything else, so it won't stick to your finger or... Careful. We have this cable attached, this flexible cable. This is the inner organ of our stove. This is the touching panel. This is the power supply. Okay, before I'm doing the component test, I'm gonna clean this oil residue in the stove body. I usually use this oven grill cleaner. Just spray this and the oil will be dissolved in a minute, and you wash it with clear water. It's very hard to clean with the regular soap, so I'm using this oven and grill cleaner. It's more easier for me and more faster to clean all this oil. Sometimes it sticks to the fan, so the fan will stop moving because of the oil residue. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this. Okay, after 1 minute, 3 minutes, the oil will be like this. Okay, we have opened the unit, and this is the first time when you open the stove, the induction infrared stove. We have this main ceramic element. There are so many kind of and so many type of this element with a spiral type. In this case we have a wavy element type, and we have this touching panel with LEDs, and we have this power supply panel. And before I went through checking all this one by one, the capacitor, resistor, usually this machine has a problem with this component. This is a temperature sensor component. When you see the bottom, it will be going with this white cable going to here. So usually it's a very simple problem with corrosion. Usually it's a very simple problem with cleaning the connection. We need to open this. We need to pull out this socket. Usually there are no connection from here to here. So you can check with your multimeter. You can usually clean this connection with alcohol, with WD-40, or even with this oven and grill cleaner, because sometimes oil covering this connection. So I'm gonna try to clean this first, and if you can see, the sensor maybe sometimes covered with the rust and corrosion. You need to sandpaper it. You need to clean it from oil or corrosion. Okay, I'm using this one and this one. Also this socket. Also you can try plug and unplug several times. Okay, after we clean the corrosion from the socket and the corrosion from the middle sensor, I'm gonna check with my multimeter with continuity test. This is the sign, diode and continuity test. So it should be a connection from this side. Yes, we have connection. Okay. And when I'm reading from the manual book, some of this induction infrared stove have a problem with a different error code. For example, there are a cooling fan defective. If the fan is not moving, it will showing maybe A1 or A5 error. And for A3, we have read from the manual, the voltage is too high or too low. I think it's not the case, the voltage, because I think it's only dirty from the socket connection. And please check all the socket is properly installed in the firm position. So when we cooking or we are moving the stove, sometimes it will lose the connection in this socket. Also this one. And if you find there are no connection from here, from this temperature cables to here, maybe you need to replace these cables. You need to pull out this ceramic element and replace this cable, these white cables. So right now there are no problem with the connection, only several corrosion or the socket loose position. So I'm gonna try it anyway right now before I move to the other test. Okay, now let's plug the rotary selector. And we plug to the power. Okay, now the stove is now working. It's only a simple step, just cleaning the sensor in the middle and the socket connection. If this method is not working for you, you can try to move to the next step, checking all the components. Usually there are some capacitors or resistors that blown or short. So you need to replace one of these, and you need to test with a multimeter like this. It has a capacitance tester and resistance tester here. This is a symbol. So for now, that's it guys. I fixed this induction infrared stove with only simple step, with no changing or no replacement for the components. Only you need to clean, only you need to make sure the connection of the socket is firm. Sometimes the simple movement of the stove will be lose the connection. So yeah, that's it. It's a simple step to fix your stove. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Click like and subscribe and sharing if you like this video, and feel free to comment below, and I will continue to clean my fan. I think it's very dirty, and see you in my next video. Thank you, terima kasih, bye bye.